We travel north and meet up with our 8-car convoy for a week and a half of blissful camping along the most recognised white sand, blue water coastlines this country has to offer. With so much to see and do, or just sit back in your chair and watch the sunrise and sunset, we enjoy our time here. And here we are to show you the beautiful coast of Fraser Island, Coongal Creek. How wide is the sand, girls? No. Alright, we're just waiting to get on board. It's our convoy. Yeah. Woo. Muzz's missile. The beasts in front. There we go, all the crew. Never too early.
Hi Jace, nice to finally see you, mate.
Fighting people.
Big rig's got to go left, you reckon? Oh no, he's pushing up to the... Oh yeah, I'll push up behind.
Just wait and see where you picture. Yeah.
Drops it in. Drops it in.
Yeah, careful. Bit of a drop there.
Whoa.
There's a bit of a drop off, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What do you say?
Let's do it. The Marino.
Is it all sunk on this?
Ah, the sand's slowly taking it.
Just watch where it's going here. He's going to park over here.
It's a donation from the Japanese who wanted to bring it back for metal, but she didn't make it. It broke free. And
You can't go on it now.
Ah.
We used to get...
Business cruise on, there's plenty of traction there, mate.
It's got boards.
Yeah, okay. It didn't look like he wanted to get up there. Oh, yeah.
Oh, easy.
We're done look very interesting. Try and dodge the sides of it, mate. They'll go straight through your tire. Watch out for those rocks coming up there.
Cheers, mate.
Six cars, isn't
I
there?
like this bit. I like going in there.
No idea.
Yeah,
Oh, this
it's
is like...
chaos and I love it.
Oh. No, this is actually a really easy track.
Oh no, this is easy, but I like that. And it's not windy.
The one to inland when we took 3 hours to get through, that was a challenge. Big steps and ruts.
Yeah, and then our bonnet almost...
See, that's got things there though. Like we haven't got past these wood bits yet.
Yeah.
Did you just pull your eyelash out?
But that's good, they've got them to come up. Oh, that's why, because they've got a
Probably, that's a dump point.
There's the dump point for our dunnies.
Okay, let's pursue.
That's the dump point.
Bouncy bounce.
I wasn't really playing with it.
There's guys, nothing,
Don't go there.
sizing them up. Yeah?
Yeah, there's a walking track that we're going to take. Double bypass.
Yeah.
It's running fast. Oh no, it's just the people going. Because Dad has to go to the track.
Yeah, put them. Filming everyone else, darling. That's our rinse. Happy Valley. Night time.
The Baggy Freeway though.
Oh, he's down with dips. Caravan is on the soft stuff. Oof.
Yeah, stay over there.
Oh, yep, that's me.
Do you want to go first? Oh no, that's alright.
Isn't that water?
Go that way.
Yeah, fuck that. I want to get him on
Go
here.
that way. Yeah, the tide's coming. Let them go across.
Let's film these guys go through. Oh yeah, good climb, good climb.
It's a bit of a...
We hit the top shock towers. Alright, so it is 8 o'clock. We are sort of stuck from getting back to our campsite. Had a bit of a late start today, so we went up to Lake Mackenzie and we've done a round trip, which is basically about 7 hours driving up and back. This is what we've come across. This is Warralee Creek runoff, so we've got to try and pass at this point, but we've missed that window, so we have to sit here for a few hours. The high tide's about an hour and a half. So we're going to set up some dinner and try and work with what we've got with the 6 cars. 6 cars, yeah. So there's the ocean, there's the creek, and this is us. Alright, so we're set up. Just having some ham and cheese wraps. Keeping warm. And having a drink.
Because I've given you those ones and I'll go get my leggings out. I want to get both.
So, Jude's in there.
Hey, John. Do you reckon that's Christopher with the bright
Wow.
light across there?
Living the dream, mate.
Christopher with the bright light.
You know how much it costs to go on an overnight ball road?
You know,
Maybe we should start charging people. Alright, everyone's getting fed. Keep them warm. We're winning. And I think that might be Chris letting us know he's on the other side.
So tell
You can
me,
see us.
are we here till daybreak or are we...
I reckon 3 hours, maybe 3.5 hours, maybe. Yeah. We need to get that to at least 2 hours on the run out.
Yeah.
So at least we know it's going to be starting in fresh water, pushing the salt. And then we'll make a bit of a look, and we need half of what we're seeing. That's about 25 metres wide. I walked about half of it and I started getting washed around a lot. I went, nah, it's not worth it. Just
That's
wait.
what I said. That's it.
Hey, Maz. That's Here we go.
They'll probably tear the bloody walls out.
Keep moving forward.
Okay, Sarah.
Come out wide to go around these little stumps.
Yeah. Just let him get right ahead so he can get a run off at the end. You watch what happens here. That's it. Easy. Go, go, go. Oh yeah, nice power slide. Alright, they're over. Yeah, it's all fresh water. I tasted it. It's like, oh, there's no salt in that. So that's good. Oops, turn your wheels in, turn your wheels in.
Right to the left
You went in a bit on an angle.
Yeah.
and right to the right.
Alright, we're good. That's the go. Push it up. There, well done.
One over.
Good drive.
Ready?
Alright, hang on.
There's someone behind us because there's a light.
Someone shouldn't have shined that right when I did that because I looked out thinking someone was coming my way and I backed off. That's right at the wrong time.
That was my phone.
Okay, now we go down to...
Just stay in that gear. That's fine. You can use it all the way back if you want. Just when we get along the beach, just go into third.
Did you put window lock on, Dad?
Yeah.
Just a bit easy to go low range here with all the tight track, that's all.
You just go to the water here.
No, we're on the beach now. Quite the adventure.
So we could have done that earlier.
So literally that was a 12-hour day trip.
And that's why
By the time we get back, it'll be exactly 12 hours.
That's why you start early.
Oh, I can't get us.
Yeah.
My legs are so small. Now this is a drop off, isn't it?
Oh, it's not too bad.
Stay up high. So I'm stuck.
Sarah this morning. I couldn't believe how quickly it filled.
So everyone that comes up here, I'm going to be happy to do that for us.
Pretty much, yeah.
Pretty much the only way, yeah.
Low tide, you can't get out. I have driven across here, top of your bonnet. Alright mate, slowing down for you. How many you caught? Shit. Yeah. Yeah, sweet. Oh, good luck mate, you enjoy.
Home sweet home.
Well, Fraser.
Woohoo!
There's points down there. When you're ready, Judge.
Jim has mastered the manual first time, hasn't installed it yet. Mastered. And then driving in my car, speed so slow, we're on sand.
There you go.
Oh! Look at this legend, would you? That's a good whiting, my friend. Wow! High five! Well done, Slater. Woo! That's dinner. That's a keeper. We'll put some water in, yeah. That boy is a fishing legend. I'll get a photo if you like.
I think this is my special spot right here.
All right.
That's my spot.
X marks the spot with a photo. Good boy. £50 braid and about the same leader, just on a twin snell with a big fresh piece of mullet. The run up tide's about another hour and a half, so I'm going to sit back at the camp after casting this out, and with a bit of luck might get a good run with something.
Even some Spanish mac off the beach would be good. So we're just sitting on the west coast of Fraser Island. Directly across is Bundaberg, and you've got Harvey Bay around the corner. The wind's finally stopped blowing, it's hard out, so hoping we've got a half decent cast on this, and we'll see how we go, guys. See how we go. Hey, casting and contact. That's all we got to do. Let's check the drag. That'll do it. That's well in. That's probably about 8 inches into the ground. That's not going anywhere. A couple of winds, bring up the slack, and just going to add the old alert bell to go alongside our little glow stick, and with a bit of luck, within an hour or two we might see something go off. Who knows? Bit of fun just while we're sitting around the camp. That'll do. Gorgeous place. Alright, let's go. Check back. Come on. Can you hold that? There's not a little fish. Come on, baby. Come on, load up, load up. Come on, load up, you good thing. Load up. Come on, baby. It's trying to eat the whole lot. I'm just waiting for it to take the whole bait. You got to wait for it to go whoa, and he's that's it. Oh shit. Nah.
It's hard when it's in the holder. Is that a shark or is that?
Oh. Oh, what is this?
Come on, Jason! I'm looking at the sky! Woo!
No, it's not. It's just, it's very finicky.
It is. It'll be very hard to catch a
Come
shark.
on, do your thing. I don't think it's a shark.
What do you think? What do you think it is?
It can't be bream because it took 2 big hooks and the whole mullet on and the line.
So it must be something else or a different kind.
It's not a stingray because they haven't got a big enough mouth to take it all.
Actually, no.
Spanish mackerel possibly. Just coming past, grabbing, snipping and doing a runner.
Yeah. Is it like this kind of shark?
Ooh. Spanish mac, nah. Come on.
Turn your head, buddy. Off you go. Well done, guys. Yeah, it was mine. I lost it last night. Yeah. Bye. Go go! Woohoo! Get something decent.
I feel like a jelly marshmallow.
Oh, you short supply, obviously. No, but they weren't. They nearly. They were getting bloody close to wiping it all out. So I think there was some lady that did. She was there, an environmentalist, but then she ended up being called that because
Everybody loves chicken.
I need to make bigger toilets.
They're back.
We need to make. You can get a bigger thing for the bottom. You get
Okay.
a double one.
Yeah,
Just talking about shit.
More editing for Dad.
You need to tell us.
Look at the screen.
Okay, I'm sure people love that.
I might get subscribers.
What was your name? Camp topic. Back to the highway. Was it 2 o'clock? Get up there by 3. Hopefully before. Have an hour.
That's what I mean, yeah. It's because of the tides. But we'll be right, because we've got lots of tide now.
Just watch out wood as you come down.
Yeah.
This is Neil's. Ooh, that looks bad, that one.
There's bolts.
Yeah. Watch the drop off too.
That's brilliant.
We didn't have to go back, because everyone was,
Well, watch the
everyone was
drop off.
pulling back, alright?
He'll be having, he's having a smoke. Yeah. Join the convoy. There he is.
Have a look at the colour of that sky. Good have you, Jess? That's a nice print. Little crab. Oh, you had no chance, did you? Couple of bubbers.
Sometimes when the people that traps in. Oh, she's done tight and I'll reverse out.
She's nice and clean. Nice and clean in here.
Yeah, very compared to the other end. Okay, there we go. Got it. Yep.
Alright, river in. You can do it.
I'm back out.
He's backing out first.
Go for the deeper run.
There you go. Full one ready.
Sounds of silence. Love it. Come on, Jade, you got to do this right. You got to get some crabs. Okay, they're interesting.
There you go.
Jeez, you had that pinpointed. Perfect. What a gorgeous place.
Alright, last chance.
Straight down. Just going to build your muscles up, Jez.
Another.
Skunk. Leafy. It's a leafy catch. Okay.
That's disappointing.
Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a grinner. You look happy.
Is that the actual name of it?
Yeah, they're called grinners.
It's like a mix.
Grinners are winners, but not in this case. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go.
Are you sure? Oh, yeah. Well, it's like a flattening on white.
Yeah, but basically, yeah, that's pretty much right, Jess. Well, this is where it is at the mouth. Oh no.
Hey, can I get it?
You can certainly have a go.
Oh!
Nice release. Good work.
Yeah, sky.
I literally got to put you in the jazz.
You're gonna have to grab the water line, darling.
Just wait. I'm gonna nose you. I'm gonna try anyway. Nose you right up into
Very
that.
shallow, but fine.
Into that.
You really threw it over the tree. I just realised it's up and over. That's good. That's okay, we can come from this way.
Very good.
That's it, steering. Beautiful. Alright, neutrals. We got this, girl. Get it, Jazz. There's got to be a big one there for you. Now I'll move this out of your way.
Oh, hello.
Grab that stick. That's it. Empty?
Fish!
Brimmy.
Oh, one of the heads got eaten.
Oh, there's been crabs here then. Oh, okay, we'll get them out. Keep an eye out for the colour. That's alright. Let's give it a squirt. We're okay at the front. It's alright, none of that was filmed from the back. It's a bit, yeah.
There's one. Straight in front.
Got it.
12 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Oh, wow.
Alright, it's your job, Jazz. You can pull them up. Okay,
As
reverse.
soon as you grab it,
Reverse.
ready,
Yep.
hang on.
Good job. Alright.
Heavy.
Right, you
Oh, it's just stuck, sticks to the mud. That or it's got 10 crabs in it.
This is one I checked myself.
Okay. Or it might have a cod. Bit of a flour.
This is
Huh?
this is spooky.
Any friends in the fridge? No.
Empty?
We're
Drop it down.
No, we're bringing it up.
We're bringing them up? Alright.
Chicken?
You good, Jess?
Yep.
Just stand it up like that and land it up against there. That's it. Good job.
Yay.
Well done. Alright, we'll keep going. Oh, got him on the drift. Oh, beautiful, eh? Gorgeous down there. Wow.
Oh, really all the way up there.
Pardon?
Nala Rock
Nah,
is
I
all the way
don't
up
think we'll
there.
be doing that. We're going to head back. I think.
Alright.
Yeah. Never make it.
Come another time, Murray's got to do the car and then
Oh, his car's good now. He's worked it out. It's been fine since. First time using it.
oh, the sun's out there.
Yay. Yeah, I'm not sure.
How beautiful is this? Orchid Beach, eh?
No, we'll have to go. Oh, it's a baby.
Yeah, it's a baby.
Oh my god, there's another one over there.
Yeah, 2 babies. Another's just probably close by. Hello. How you doing, buddy?
Stingray.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't want to catch
Oh.
Alright, so the ultimate's happened. We've got Muzz's missile there. Just going to try and dig out the Land Cruiser. She blew a dry shaft trying to get through this little lip. So the recovery's been the other way around all week, and Muzz is now able to return the favour. Let the missile pass. All right. Low range, buddy. Take up the slack. You want me to get the Triton? Just saying. It'll do it. I'm joking. If that's not going to pull it, the Triton's not going to pull it. Happy birthday. Whoopsie. Oh, please no. It shouldn't, because it's got a rag in between. It shouldn't slingshot too far. Yeah, that's why you do that, so it doesn't just ricochet the whole line back towards the person that's going. Turn your wheel. I'm getting the Triton. Oh dear. All right, third vehicle in play here. All hands on deck. A little bit of a run.
I'm going to go forwards, mate, I think. I've got no steering.
You've lost your steering.
Yeah, that's what I thought. But I didn't want to do it.
Too far up.
So I was
All right. Forget that.
There you go. Okay. Go backwards. Christopher John.
Rears? How you doing the rears?
Yeah. Got me wheels straight. I got my wheels straight. worried? What are you worried about? Have I ever led you astray?
What's that that's out front?
CV. Drive shaft. That's it. That's it. It's just busted. The cog's smashed. The casing smashed. That's the casing that holds it on. Yep, that's oil. That there is your CV.
CV is in like...
Drive shaft that locks your front wheels to turn from your centre differential. From your front diff. Help out the way. Come on, Max Trax. Yeah. Give it some, mate. Excellent. Self-recovery. Winner.
That's not good.
That just means you can add your two-wheel drive. Oh. You probably need that. You have to. Hook it all in. I'm gonna have to try and get it all back on there. We need a max track in there. Oh yeah. How it's done. All right, into the shed. There goes the shed. He's loving it. All right. All right, he pulled himself out. Now he's just got to try and work out how to get home properly. But she's out. Winner.
Wait, so did the CV or the drive shaft?
You've got two drive shafts that turn like this.
Yeah.
Right? And it's got the cog. It sits on the inside and it connects to the inside of the middle of the axle. It's got a big spline that meets. When you put it in four-wheel drive, it connects to it and turns your front wheels. You put too much angle on them, it misses.
So the CV's in the middle?
Yes. It's the one that joins the wheel to the front diff. So you put too much angle on it, it stresses them, and the weak point is the cog. Smashes them. The housing gets busted.
Is it the...
It's just a pop out, pop in job, but if you haven't got one...
Is it a diff?
No.
I mean
It's just a drive shaft, yeah. Which happens a lot when you're doing big angles.
So can you do that in two-wheel drive still?
Yeah, that's a Land Cruiser, he'll do it.
Watch your CV get changed in an hour.
I can imagine. Well, this concludes our trip to Coongal Creek up at Fraser. I have to admit, it's one of the best campsites we've ever been to. Everything's here, peace, good mates, good family. And the scenery is just outstanding. Alright, we're taking the bypass, that creek's up, guys, hang on.
So any more?
Yeah, I know. It's alright. Just flush through here.
Haven't been down this way. Grant can get up. Right. Oh, fuck.
Shaz? It's fine. Just quick. Oh, can you turn that off?
Which way did you go? This to the left?
Yeah, you can see the wheel max exiting, so you're pretty safe the whole way through. Just a couple of sticks as you get to the bottom, but just keep it in first and foot off the brake and just drive it. That's well done.
She trusts She trusts that.
You just take your foot off everything, let the car do its work. No, no, no. It's stop. You go very, very slow.
Yeah, look. We're up. I'm surprised for that. Yes.
Good job, Sarah.
Good driving. Hey? Got about about 20-25 minutes till high tide.
It's not really. I just don't go fast through water. That's soft.
Alright, Murray.
You're getting hot again, Mark, because I can smell ya.
Yes.
Surprising, not right now. But fuck that soft. Yes, very.
In this low range territory, though. It's hurting our cars.
Sorry about my language. Bella just slapped me around the head. And the time out.
Well, this is the adventure we were looking for.
Okay, where are they?
Easy. The way, solder up. Oh dear. Yep.
Might want to move. So you're going that way, okay.
Oh,
Shut
yeah.
my put my window up. You
Yeah.
reckon you're going to make that?
Yes, we will. It's going to be a bit of a rinse job for me.
Keep going.
Fine shirts.
Woo! Just.
That's our rinse job.
Yes.
So we've got fresh water all under our car.
Watch out the bus. The coppers are there.
Yeah.
Copy that.
Oh, yep, go up.
Just missed us.
Go a little bit higher. It's really sinking in the soft sand here. Yeah, don't stop in the
Go
soft.
around there.
Go around.
No, he's got to go front
What do you
because...
reckon, Grant? Should I put it in low?
Oh fuck, are you not in low? Are you serious? Oh, these rocks cool.
There's a queue of like 5 or 6 cars drive behind me. Yeah, thanks for the lavatory.
Repeat, please.
The toilet spot.
That's all done.
Yeah, he'll be fine. He's just got to watch the rocks. He's alright.
His four-wheel drive's broken.
He's running two-wheel drive, towing that 2-ton trailer, so he's doing pretty good. Nice and slow, says. Yeah, tow hitch. That's the thing that's lowest on our car.
You just gotta let the car take itself.
Yeah, just slap it in the gear and let it do it work. Racing the tide. Yeah, the blades are still pushing through.
Yeah, true.
Not too bad though. Just about at the bottom. Here she comes. Flicking the wheels. He's happy he's true.
Where do we actually... What?
Back on the mainland. Do you guys want to go first?
Go left, go left.
Whatever you see, fine.
Alright.
All good.
Yeah, probably be them because they're in the middle.
Okay. Parked. Alright. See you guys.
Got what's the off? Traction control.
We've got to try and park up here so Murray, we can watch some boys come on through.
Over there.
No. Right through the end.
Oh, you can get through to the end first.
It's nothing. Oh, we'll keep going.
Yeah.
I'll just come up here.
Get off and start on our side. What?
Try and get a film here.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, it's basic. Easy in skip today. Alright, he's gonna jump out here and film the boys coming through. Yeah, boy. Go the Muzz missile. Gases. Uh-oh. Oh dear.
Come on, boys. We can do this. Come on, come on. Woo! That beast. It's doing it all. Yeah! Two-wheel drive, everyone. Two-wheel drive. Alright. Well, that's it, guys and girls. Fraser is done. Inskip is done. Guys, you're seated in.
Yeah. I should take a photo.
Bye!
Bye!
Good grip. Awesome grip.